Welcome, everyone. Did you know sextortion cases have surged, with reports showing a 65% increase just this year? This alarming rise demands serious attention and awareness. In this video, we'll expose the harsh truth about sextortion and walk you through powerful recovery strategies to help you rebuild strength and confidence. Let's get started. The best ways to recover from sextortion. Seek professional support. Speaking with a therapist or counselor experienced in trauma can make a tremendous difference. They can guide you through the emotional impact and help restore your self-esteem. Reach out to trusted family and friends. Never underestimate the importance of your support system. Being surrounded by caring and encouraging people can make all the difference as you move forward in your recovery. Focus on rebuilding. If sextortion has shaken you emotionally or financially, it's time to create a plan. Work toward regaining stability both mentally and financially. You are capable of overcoming this. Limit your online presence. Taking a break from social media can provide clarity and give you space to heal. If stepping away completely isn't right for you, consider tightening your privacy instead. Restrict who can see your posts and adjust your account settings. Document everything. Keep records of every message or interaction related to the incident. This information may be crucial if you choose to involve authorities or pursue legal action later. Explore legal options. Learn about your rights and the legal remedies available in your area. Knowing your choices can empower you to reclaim control and restore your security. Which tip resonated with you most? Share your thoughts in the comments. Immediate steps to take after sextortion. Do not engage. Avoid responding to threats. Interaction often escalates the situation. Gather evidence. Save every message, screenshot, and communication for your records. Report the incident. File a report with both law enforcement and the platform where the harassment occurred to protect yourself further. We'd love to hear from you. If you or someone you know has overcome sextortion, share your experience or tips in the comments below so we can build a supportive community together. Empowering yourself after sextortion. Building a strong support network is a powerful step in reclaiming your life. Joining a support group with others who understand your struggle can be especially healing. Self-empowerment practices, like positive affirmations and visualization, can also strengthen your resilience. Tips for protecting your online presence. Use strong passwords. Create complex ones and update them regularly. Enable two-factor authentication. Add an extra layer of protection to your accounts. Be cautious with personal details. Limit what you post and review your privacy settings frequently. Monitor your accounts. Keep an eye out for suspicious activity or unfamiliar messages. Being proactive is one of the best defenses. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights on safeguarding your digital life. How to recover from sextortion quickly. At Blackmail.HelpLine, we understand how overwhelming this can be. Every day, our team assists hundreds of victims using advanced IP tracking and state-of-the-art technology. We locate and identify extortionists, remove harmful content from the internet, and stop them from contacting you again. For added security, we can also monitor your accounts to ensure peace of mind. With more than a decade of experience and a 95% success rate, we are trusted experts in protecting victims and restoring digital safety. If you're ready to take back your life, contact us at 888-634-1535 or visit blackmailhelpline.com. Remember, you are not alone and you can stay safe online. See you in the next video.
Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at blackmailhelpline.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.